So today we are going to make a new recipe. My cousin had brought this to Thanksgiving and it was delicious, so I wanted to try it. Basically, you take your sugar cookie dough, you put it in a pan, and you're going to make one large cookie. I have used cookie dough for crust in the past on different recipes, so I have no doubt that this will be good. Okay, so I've got it all spread out. If you find a cookie dough sticking to your fingers, just get your fingers wet and that'll take care of it. And just kind of smooth it out as best you can. And then we're going to put it in the oven, 350 degrees for 15-20 minutes maybe, depending on your oven. You just want it to get a light golden. And I'll bring you back. Okay, while that is finishing cooking in the oven, we're going to make the filling. And what we're going to need, I have 2 eggs in here already. And now I'm going to add a cup of brown sugar. And now we've got 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, ½ teaspoon baking soda, ½ teaspoon of salt. I don't really understand the point of the baking soda and salt, but we're going to go for it. I've had the recipe and it's good, so. Now we have 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And we're going to need some pecans. About 2 cups, about 2 cups of pecans. Oh, and of course a teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to mix this up and then we're going to add the pecans. Okay. 1 cup. And 2. I'm using chopped pecans. And we're just going to fold this in. Alright. I'll bring you back when the giant cookie is out of the oven. Okay, so I've got it out of the oven. It's a nice light golden brown. And we're going to go ahead and put the filling on top. And just push this out to the edges. I had put the larger pan on here. I was afraid that my pan may have been too short and it would boil over, but I don't think it's going to, because the cookie has kind of settled in the center. So okay, this is going back into the 350 degree oven for 15 more minutes. Okay, so right now you can see it's kind of puffed up. We're going to let this sit for a couple of hours and that's going to start to relax and rest. So I'll bring you back in a couple of hours. Okay, so it's a couple of hours later, and you can see that it has set up. You can see the crust there. And they taste fantastic with milk or coffee. They're delicious. If you like pecan pie, you will love these. You saw how easy it was to make it. So I hope you guys will try these for the holidays. Thanks, guys. I'll see you next week.